excited. Say hello. Hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shilataka with a new video. It's a Friday as always. A new video is posted here. So guys, today's video I'm with my babies, and they are
babies.
Okay, my kids that are also on YouTube, guys. They're going to introduce themselves. You're going to you're going to get to know what they do, their YouTube channels and everything. So today they're teaching me how to bake. Like guys, I don't know how to bake a cake. Can you imagine? A whole meal. So they're going to teach me how to bake, and they're going to teach all of you guys. I know I'm not the only one that doesn't know how to bake. We are many, so look out. Let them introduce themselves.
Dandy. My channel's name is Andy Ocheng. Want to get to my channel Andy Ocheng, please like and subscribe. Please like the video, comment down below if you get a chance. And I am her kid.
She's my baby.
Kinda.
Okay.
So we'll start cooking, and let's not forget about my sister.
So hi guys, my name is Daisy and today we're going to be baking, and let's hope you'll enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down your favorite part. If you want to see any more cookings, just comment and we'll respond to your comments. Thank you
Guys, I hope you've heard what they said. Their names are, her YouTube channel is Sammy Grace, then his is Andy Ocheng. Check them out guys, support them. They're cool, they're babies, my babies. So I want to know, what are we going to be using?
We're going to be using
those are the things that we're going to use. So it's her sister that is going to do. Okay, they're going to do it together. You know, boys, imagine he's just in class 6 and class 6. Imagine, and they know how to bake, and me, I don't know how to bake. Hey, what? So let's start. We see that cake, guys. It's gonna be perfect. Watch out. So what are you going to do?
So
what are we mixing first?
First we are going to take Prestige.
Okay.
And we need for like half of this.
Okay. Guys, are you saying?
And you're also going to need some icing sugar, also 4 spoons.
Okay.
Yeah, we're also going to be needing some eggs when we start cracking them like me.
Guys, are you seeing what they're doing?
Then we use a spoon to mix them all.
Okay.
And then this is how it should look like.
Yeah, the icing sugar should at least be. Yeah, we'll add some eggs.
Okay, 7 eggs.
Yeah.
Eggs smell bad. Oh god. Okay. So I'm supposed to mix them pamoja.
Yes, mix
Yeah, I
them.
think
So you mix them.
Yeah, you mix them.
Then you add a little.
Yeah, it can be a little bit confusing.
Sorry?
It can be a little bit confusing.
1.5 now.
Okay.
So
They have is going to wait a little bit.
So you first start mixing using the spoon.
Okay. How about that thing that you said is a what?
The mixer.
The mixer.
You'll use it later.
Okay. So I have to start with a spoon.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So people, you're such dance.
You're done?
No, I'm not done. Yes, I'm done.
Done doing what?
Then next, we are going to mix using the mixer. Next we need the vanilla.
Okay.
2 cups of this.
Okay.
also need some baking powder.
Okay. Baking powder, guys.
So after you're done mixing, this is how it should look like.
Yeah, that's how
And
the
a
whole
liquid
dough should
form.
look like.
Like that.
And
You guys, you can't see it, sorry.
It's actually a liquid and a solid at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, it's a heavy liquid.
Then we add a little bit of flour.
Again.
Yes.
the
Here
other
where they
half.
have
Reading next.
So we need some prestige for this. We need to apply the prestige of this thing.
Okay.
the reason we are applying it with glue band is so when at the bottom of the cake where the foundation lays, it can't be too black because it will burn.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and make sure after applying the prestige you go and wash your hands.
you go wash your hands. You're not supposed to be dirty. Oh. Okay. So what's next?
So the next thing we're going to do is put all the mixings
Okay.
into this thing.
Okay. Guys, it smells nice. Hey, it's gonna be delicious. I'm eating all of it too.
And take it into the oven.
Okay.
Close the oven. So get 180 degrees.
180
degrees.
Okay.
And both sides of the oven. And a time of 30 minutes.
So that's how it looks like. It looks beautiful. Hey, we're going to eat this cake. Oh, it's nice. So guys, this is the cake. We're done. We are done. Hey, ni tamu. Let me test. This is the cake. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. As you've seen,